Good morning, everybody. I'm Maureen Brown, and together with my co-chair, Dr. Belinda Fu, I'm delighted to welcome everybody to the 2021 R3 Talks. This conference has been an annual tradition for our program for more than 35 years, and I'm especially happy to see some of our former grads joining us today who have been part of this tradition over the years. This year, our R3 class has selected addiction medicine as the theme for the day. Let's see, we have 15 speakers, including our 11 R3 residents, our 2 faculty members. We have one of our geriatric fellows and one of our graduates from last year joining us who missed out on this conference during our pandemic hiatus. We will have a couple of breaks in the mid-morning and a mid-afternoon and a lunch break. And during that time, you'll see some information about how to claim your CME credits, and that'll be in the chat also. We should have a little bit of time after each talk for some questions, so please submit your questions through the chat and we will try to get to as many as we can. And I'm hoping that some of you can stick around to the end when we will have a little brief review with an audience participation quiz to test what you have learned today. And so without further ado, I want to welcome our first speaker, Dr. Sylvia Peterson-Perry, who is going to talk to you about the state of substance use in the United States.